Holden V8s. We know how much you Holden V8 guys love your authentic iron lines, no LSs around here. And that's why Proflow now have a brand new range of aluminium cylinder heads specifically for your engine. These new heads are based on the VN design, but you don't have to worry if you don't want to run EFI. You can either have the EFI version, which we have here, or there is a carby option as well for you to throw them on an older 308. Regardless of what variant you get, they're made from cast aluminium, and in terms of flow, you get a 200cc intake runner and a 63cc intake chamber. What does that mean? It means they're good for up to around 550 horsepower out of the box, and that's before you start porting them further. As well as choosing whether you want EFI or carby suited heads, the other thing you can choose is whether you want a naked one like this one here or a fully dressed one like this one here. Now the differences are, if you opt for a dressed one, you get the valve springs and these super robust valves as fitted, and then if you need rockers you can opt for those as a separate kit as well. As well as cylinder heads, Proflow also offer a number of Holden V8 parts, including remanufactured OEM style rocker covers. So to find what you need for your Holden V8 and to order, simply head to proflow.com.au.